Imagine a world where you could trust every online transaction, data exchange, or contract without fear or fraud or tampering. This once seemed too good to be true until blockchain arrived and transformed that vision into reality. Developed to secure and decentralize data, blockchain provided transparency and protection against fraud. Initially adopted for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, its use quickly expanded to other sectors. Today, industries such as finance, healthcare, and supply chain management cannot envision their operations without it. Blockchain's role continues to grow, reshaping how we manage trust, transactions, and data globally. What is blockchain in layman's language? Even though blockchain is a buzzword today, let's break it down simply. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger, like a shared Google spreadsheet that everyone can see but no one can alter or tamper. Once transaction is added, it's permanent, no erasing or changing it. Let's say, imagine buying a car and every part of the process from payment to ownership transfer is recorded on this shared ledger. This system removes the need for middlemen, there is no room for errors, and it makes transactions secure, transparent, and fast. Now, because it started with Bitcoin, in that context, if we take Bitcoin's example, sending money to someone abroad becomes as easy as sending an email. No banks, no delays. Blockchain keeps the record of that transfer, ensuring it's secure and visible to everyone involved. So let's move to the core concepts and applications. From what we discussed until now, blockchain at its core is a decentralized network where data is stored across multiple nodes or computers, creating a tamper-proof ledger. Beyond transactions, it enables innovations like smart contracts, which are automated self-executing agreements. And next, the most important, the backbone of the blockchain is consensus mechanisms. For example, proof of work, proof of stake, digital signatures, and decentralized ledgers. With this, I believe we tapped blockchain into simplest terms, and in our next video, we will talk more about technicalities of its core concepts like how does it work, taking example of how transactions are requested, validated, secured, and ultimately completed. We will also tap on two little deeper concepts of decentralization, blockchain permissions, and multi-chain, etc. So if you would like to know or even refresh your concepts about blockchain, starting from basic to complex, stay tuned to our series of blockchain and how it continuously reshaping business as well as technical world. Don't miss out, subscribe now and hit the bell icon for updates.